Alright, so a lot of people have been asking me what the new exhaust sounds like. You know what I'm talking about. I finally took off that naughty exhaust. It was just driving me too crazy. I couldn't enjoy the car, it was too loud. And I'm kind of getting older, so a lot of this stuff just isn't sitting right with me. But here's the new setup. It's an active Autowerks Gen 4. We have a little leak right here. Probably not going to be an accurate sound clip, but a lot of people are still asking me. So I figured why not? At least I even want to hear the difference too. Also, people have been asking me about the ITBs that I got from 2M. So yeah, I'm gonna do a couple flybys. Nothing too crazy, but I'm on residential roads, drive safe, and see how she sounds. Hopefully I get the exhaust leak fixed soon, so I can get actual sound clips, but for now, just enjoy. Alright, so there it is. Like I said, it has an exhaust leak. It is breaking up a little bit. Still not on a proper tune. I'm on a safe tune right now. Waiting to upgrade the fuel system so I can run full E45. Probably gonna do an electric fan setup, lightweight pulleys, and then get a custom dyno tune from HCE. Hopefully break that 350 wheel horsepower. And after that, man, it's time to get rid of these wheels and get something a little bit more functional, or just rebuild them, raise it, and put wider tires. I don't know what to do yet, but to be honest, I like it with the regular exhaust. Actually seems like a real M3. Still got to repaint it. You can see 50 shades of green. Don't know if I'm going to change the color. Don't know if I'm going to keep it. Don't know what I'm going to do. I'm at a loss of words. Might even sell it. Who knows? So if anybody wants to buy it, hit me up, because I will let it go. But it won't be cheap. I'm letting you know that right now. But yeah. Now, here she is. We're just in the car, the wheels, the roll cage, or even the old exhaust, hit me up. Somebody wants the car or willing to pay the money, take it, because I do want an F80 bad, like real bad. So if anybody's interested, hit me up. All right, bitch.